Beneath dense tropical trees lies a world rarely seen by humans. A world that breathes in the rhythms of nature.
Beneath the dense tropical trees lies a world rarely seen by humans. A world that breathes in the rhythms of nature. As the morning sun slowly penetrates the forest canopy, life begins to stir. But the forest also has another side, the life of predators. Among the shadowed branches, a tiger. The forest is not only full of sounds, but also stories. Younger howler monkeys play tag.
On the riverbank, colorful painted lady butterflies flutter among the flowers.
The forest is home to an endless story.